This is a PIXLIP Go 3 meters wide, and we're going to show you how to set it up now. A PIXLIP Go in the 3-meter wide version is really a huge thing. Yet everything fits into these two practical bags. And we'll show you what's inside and how to set it up step by step in this video. To start, I'm going to lay out all the parts clearly in front of me. We start with the first LED profile, attach a corner connector and a longitudinal connector, and slide a base plate under each connector for stability. This is how we connect the 3 lower LED modules to form our base. As you can see, we don't need any strength or tools for the entire assembly. We complete the lower LED row by connecting the modules in series with the short cables. Now I connect the power supply with the short extension and place it into the notch of the corner connector. Then I set the 2 side profiles with the built-in power supplies vertically onto the corner connectors. Just to be safe, on the side with the power supply, the opening for the spiral cable should face upwards, and on the other side, it should face downwards. After that, we plug the power cord into the power supply from below. Next, the longitudinal connectors are placed onto the side parts, and between the LED modules on the floor, we insert the first 2 vertical struts. Then we take the 2 cross braces and the 3 central struts and connect everything so that the large frame will later hold its shape perfectly when covered. Next, we start building upwards. To do this, we place the 2 side profiles onto our longitudinal connectors, attach the vertical struts to the cross braces, and finish at the top with the remaining 3 LED profiles. Connect the corner profile, LED module, and longitudinal connector together, and then place them on top. Yes, and we do the same with the other 2 modules. There we go, the frame is standing. Now it's time for the wiring. I always work in the direction of the current. Using the shorter spiral cable, we go from the power supply down to the first LED module. Then, from the first power supply, we extend to the second power supply using the long cable. From here, we continue with the long spiral cable up to the LED modules, which are connected to each other with the small cables. By the way, if you want to connect several PIXLIP Go elements together, you can use this included extension cable. It is connected to the power supply down here and then routed outside through the small opening in the corner connector. And with this cable, you can then supply power to the next PIXLIP Go module. The package includes these small cable clips and plates. With these, you can securely attach your wiring to the struts and profiles. And before we cover it, let's test once to see if all the lights are working. Now it's time for the covering, starting with the back side using the blockout. I'll start with an upper corner. For this, I take a print clip and press the edge of the fabric into it, then insert the print clip into the groove at the top in one corner of the frame. And for such large elements, we definitely recommend having a third hand to help. I work my way around until the fabric sits nice and smooth, without any wrinkles. Yes, and I do exactly the same on the front with our printed design. And after just a few minutes, the Go element shines and is ready to impress with its brightness. PIXLIP lights up, and you can find more videos on our website.